Greetings and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today is the first day of fall, so I thought it'd be a good opportunity to talk about these 4 very mature and very cheap fig trees that I recently purchased. Typically I like to source my fruit trees for my backyard orchard from different nurseries and things, but if you've been watching my videos for a while, you'll know when I bought 8 peach trees last year, I sourced a few from Costco. Occasionally you can find some really great deals from hardware stores, and these Celeste fig trees came from Home Depot of all places. So these came from the Home Depot. If you live in my area, that's next to I-35 that's Highway 45 and Highway 130 in Pflugerville. And I was just really shocked by the quality of these fig trees. I mean, they're not perfect, but for $30 a tree, these are really, really large and mature. Obviously, the containers that they have been grafted in, and you can see grafting marks, so these aren't just rooted branches. The containers are really small, and I've got them set up here on my French drain just so they'll stand up straight against my fence so you can really get a scope for how big these are. These are 6 foot tall fig trees. Once again, I bought these just yesterday, so you can probably get them. There's still some probably there, and I saw a whole bunch of citrus and a bunch of other things that looked super healthy. I'm excited to get these put into my backyard orchard. Obviously, these fig trees aren't perfect. We got a little bit of, leaf curl here, and I'm not talking about this. This is just dehydration, but like these brown spots on the fringes, like this leaf, you can kind of see it pretty well. These trees aren't perfectly healthy, but every one of them's got fruit on them, and they are really large. Like, just for comparison, I recently bought this Celeste fig tree, which is 2 feet tall, from East Austin Succulents, and they are a great local nursery, East Austin Succulents. This fig tree was a great deal. I paid maybe 25 bucks for it, and it was well worth it, but it's just unusual to find fig trees that are so mature for the price. I mean, for example, like this peach tree right next to it, or this one, either of these two, I paid $55 each at Green and Growing in Pflugerville. And as you can see, they're about the same size. If I line up the blue of the sky there, this peach tree on the left has a little bit of height on these fig trees, but I mean, we're talking about a clean 6 feet. So very exciting. If you want to see me put these in the ground, I am going to be doing a garden tour video in a couple of weeks, so just stay tuned. Probably nothing for September, but early October, we'll do a fall garden tour where I will talk about all the fruit trees in my backyard orchard. At this point, adding these fig trees, I have a total of 7 fig trees, 3 olive trees, 8 peach trees, and a vegetable bed where I also grow some fruit. So it's a really, really wonderful backyard orchard, and I'm excited to get these new fig trees added to it. We're going to space them out appropriately, similarly to the way that you see these 2 peach trees here, a good 10 feet apart. Find nice spots for them and get them in the dirt. So please subscribe, stay tuned. I will be uploading future garden tours of all the stuff that's going on in my backyard orchard, and also want to give a shout out to my wife. Go check out her channel, CR Wattrich. She recently published a devotional book on anxiety. And it's really, really cool. So please go check her out. Thanks again for watching.